Good morning and welcome back. The time now is 5:43. Joining us once again is meteorologist Margot Altschuler, and it looks like we're going to be dealing with some rain, but when is that going to kind of come in and affect our weekend?
So it's going to be almost like yesterday, where we saw rain in the morning and then those stronger storms later on in the afternoon. It's pretty much a rinse and repeat forecast, and the weekend looks a little bit different. So let's get into everything so that way we can be prepared and know kind of what's happening as we go throughout the rest of our Friday, heading on into our Saturday. So right now, we're watching as a stronger storm moves through McMinn County. It's kind of mostly in Ray and Meigs County at the moment, but taking a zoomed in look, starting to see some of those showers kind of moving on in closer towards E.K. Baker Elementary School, closer towards Acme Mill, and we will be seeing this system crossing over I-75 most likely here in the next couple of minutes. But notice the back end of this system does have a lot of lightning associated with it, so it's probably a very noisy system, so just be aware of that. Hopefully that doesn't wake you up or didn't wake you up, but we will be watching everything. This is kind of what we expect as we head on into the rest of our morning. A look from our Sky 6 Market Square camera. Not a bad start to the morning. We're seeing dry conditions. Temperatures are sitting in the low 60s for most of us. We're right now sitting at 63 here in Knoxville, 62 in Maynardville, 60 in Loudon, and 62 in Oak Ridge. Moving on into this afternoon, temperatures are expected to increase closer towards the low 80s, which is quite warm for this time of year, but hey, we'll take it. Now, the big important thing. So we do have a severe threat level of a 3 out of 5 for half of our viewing area and a 2 out of 5 for the rest of our viewing area. Now, no matter if you're under that 2 out of 5 or 3 out of 5, we do expect to see damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. We also expect to see some locally heavy rainfall that could lead to some flash flooding and even the possibility of some small hail. So it's best you remain weather aware all day, and you also have your weather notifications on so you can stay up to date. But a look at our 6 predictor, just so we are able to plan accordingly, because I know it's Friday. We all want to get outside, right? Well, as we head throughout the morning, again, those spotty sprinkles and spotty showers are expected to push on through. And by the time we reach around 3 o'clock, that's when we start to see some spotty showers moving through just before a line of strong storms enters into our area by 7 o'clock this evening. Now, those storms move through rather quickly, which is why we do have that bigger severe threat, is because of how quickly these are moving, because by the time we reach 10 o'clock, most of this should be out of our area, and we will be left with just overcast and cloudy conditions. Our rain chances don't die down just yet. As we head towards our Saturday, we do have an 80% chance for showers and storms. Taking a look at Saturday's severe threat level, a 1 out of 5. We're mainly expecting just to see some pretty soggy conditions. We could be seeing some very locally heavy rain, so just be aware of that. But a look at our 6 predictor for Saturday. Again, spotty showers around 7 o'clock, and then we see more kind of moving on through around 9. A bit of a break by noon, and then as we head later on into Saturday, this is when the stronger storms move on through. We do expect to see a lot of this wrapping up just after 7 o'clock. Kind of like clockwork, what we've been seeing all week, most of this wrapping up just after sunset, and then we will be seeing drier conditions as we move on into our Sunday. But again, today, we are weather aware because of those showers and storms expected. Then we expect to see some scattered showers and storms tomorrow, especially in the morning and the afternoon. Variably cloudy on Sunday, but drier. And then we start off the week on a dry but cool note. Temperatures will be in the low 70s, mid 70s by Monday and Tuesday. And then as we head towards the remainder of the week, we do expect to warm up gradually just before another system gets here to cool us down. Stan?
All right.